How to add Cash App to wallet. To add Cash App to your digital wallet, like Apple Wallet or Google Wallet, follow these steps. For Apple Wallet, open Cash App on your iPhone. Tap on the Cash Card tab, a bank card icon at the bottom of the screen. If you don't have a Cash Card yet, you'll need to order one. Follow the prompts to complete this. Once you have the Cash Card, tap on it, and then select Add to Apple Wallet. Then go to the Vanessa option. You may need to provide your name and card number and click on Next. Then follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup, and your Cash Card will be added to Apple Wallet. For Google Wallet, open Cash App on your Android device. Then go to the Cash Card section. If you don't have a Cash Card, you'll need to request one first. Once you have the Cash Card, look for the option to add to Google Wallet and follow the prompts. After you add it, you can use the Cash Card for purchases anywhere Apple Pay or Google Pay is accepted, using your digital wallet. Thanks for watching.